In this video, we're going to look at how to write an equation from a table of values. There are three general types of relations that we're going to look at in this course. When you have x plus or minus a number to equal y, a number multiplied by x, then plus or minus a number to equal y, and x plus or minus y to equal a number. Here we have a table of values and we're going to write an equation for it. Step 1. See that your x values are increasing by 1. As we look at our x values going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can see that they are increasing by 1. Step 2. Look at your y values and see what's happening there. There we see that our y values are also increasing by 1. When both of our x and y values are increasing by the same amount, we know that is the type of equation x plus or minus a number equals y. Step 3. Check your first x value and see how you go from your first x value to your first y value. Here we're going from 1 to 3. So we can see that if we take our x value, 1, and we add 2, we'll get 3. Step 4. Check another x value and see if it has the same relation. If we look at our second row, we can see that 2 plus 2 equals 4. Yes, the relation holds. Step 5 is to write your equation. For this table of values, x plus 2 equals y. So if you have the relation x and y increasing by the same amount, we know that it will follow the format x plus or minus a number equals y. Let's look at another table of values. Step 1. See that your x values are increasing by 1. Step 2. Look at your y values and see what's happening. If we look at our y values, we can see that they are increasing, but not by 1. This tells us that our general equation formula will be a number multiplied by x, then plus or minus a number to get y. So if we see how much y is increasing by, in this case 3, this gives us the coefficient for your x. So now let's put that information into our equation. Now we have 3x, then plus or minus a number to get y. Step 3. Check your first x value to see how it will go from negative 2 to negative 7 with the information we have. So far we know if we multiply 3 by our x value, we'd get negative 6. And then if we subtract 1, we'll get our y value, which is negative 7. Step 4. Check another x value to see if the same relation holds. So if we multiply our x value in the second row, negative 1, by 3, we'll get negative 3. Then if we subtract 1, we'll get our negative 4. Yes, the relation holds. Step 5. Write your equation. 3x minus 1 equals y. So if x is increasing and y is increasing by a different amount, we know that it's a number multiplied by x, then plus or minus a number to give us y. Let's do one more table of values. Step 1. See that your x values are increasing by 1. Step 2. Look at your y values and see what is happening. If we look at our y values, we see that they are decreasing by 1. This tells us that we have the formula x plus or minus y equals a number. Step 3. Check an x and y value by adding them together. Let's take our first row. 1 plus 8 gives us 9. Step 4. Check another set of values to see if the same relation. Let's try our second row. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Yes. So now we can write our equation. X plus y equals 9. So if x is increasing and y is decreasing by the same amount, then it's x plus or minus y to give us a number.